guys, welcome to Susan Vlog. Dito na naman ako sa Ampang Park. Ayun, turn bago papasok kasi today holiday of Good Friday, kaya ayan, selfie na naman dito. Nice view working place, the back of Bank of China, this second building. Yan, second only. Yan, nice to selfie here. Oh, diba, sitting pretty ang lola. Bago papasok, ayun naman yung bus stop sa likod ng Dunkin' Luna. Good morning everyone guys. Happy Good Friday.